empowering future innovators through cutting-edge facilities.
Use the state-of-the-art laboratories designed to inspire hands-on language learning and scientific discovery.
Trade in your outmoded facilities.
Swap it with the modern facilities.
Bottom Line started in 1998 with its first product. Installation of the Phonetic Speech Laboratory. Sequentially with the installation of the Science Laboratory.
Get the ergonomically designed science laboratories.
Increase your students' capabilities with the modern biology lab, chemistry lab, physics lab, and forensics lab. Empower excellence in phonetics education.
Get the Bottom Line Phonetic Speech Laboratory for CPA schools.
Bottom Line has been installing speech laboratories since 1998. It has completed more than 100 installations in the Philippines and 5 installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Bottom Line is expanding towards South and West Africa, the Middle East, and the countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN.
Bottom Line fabricates student cubicles for you on site.
Get the modern speech laboratory with cubicles that are ergonomically designed.
Bottom Line surely completes installing your speech laboratory in 60 days.
Your teachers will be trained after the installation, in group and one-on-one.
The best part is you are covered by a 3-year warranty no matter what country you are situated.
Bottom Line is proud to present its installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Veda Flora. Veda Linden. Veda Makumi.
The Russia Technical College.
Lawrence Original Training College.
Presenting to you our recent list of happy and satisfied clients.
Our clients in the Philippines are mostly from private schools, while there are a few from public schools.
Included in the list are the 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa.
Join us in redefining linguistic excellence.
Call Bernardo at Basmayor, +639-2669-72659.
Type in your browser Bottom Line Interactive Multimedia Speech Laboratory and Educational Technology to visit us online.
Call now.
Don't delay. Enjoy big discounts.
Call now.